Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add hyperlink in PDF. It's really simple and easy. Here is an example PDF file that I am using. So first of all, you need to find your PDF document and we are going to use a web-based program. So head over to your Google Chrome and type in Sajda. Click enter and it should be the first one. Sajda helps with your PDF task. It's really good and it's free. So click on edit a PDF document, then upload PDF document and you need to find it with this file explorer. Then simply tap on this open. So now it should open your PDF. You can scroll down and you want to find here where you need to add the link. You can add the link anywhere, but you just need to click on links and then it will open this tool where you can kind of like make a selection. So let's add the links here just to this filler text. You can also type using that text tool and create obviously new words, maybe like a click here, but nonetheless we've got these words highlighted and now what we can do is link to an external URL. So I'll just type, so you have to paste the URL here and then click on this apply changes and it's going to go ahead and link to your YouTube or Facebook, whatever you pasted. You can simply tap on this download the file and then you can open and your new PDF file is open and you can easily find your hyperlink here. If you click on it, it will redirect you to your website or your YouTube. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add hyperlink in PDF. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.